Passenger seat level 4. Gear number 7. 25. 26. Passenger seat level 5. Maximum performance.
Hopefully won't kick you.
Oh no. Good, good. How are you? Good. Wow, beautiful horses. Thank you. Have a nice ride. You too. No wonder there's horse shit. Hey guys, Josto here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another e-bike video. So I have done electric bikes videos before, especially from Juice Bikes because they are here in town in San Diego. But this time I purchased this electric bike by Lectric. It's called the Lectric XP. If you are familiar with electric bikes, you probably heard about this company. And one of the biggest selling points about this bike is the price. This is priced under $1,000. Normally sells for $999, but I got it on sale for $899. That means like 900 bucks. They are based in Arizona, so if you live there, you don't pay any taxes. Since I live in California, I did have to pay taxes on that, so it's almost $1,000. But still, like I said, if you're familiar with e-bikes, you'll know that buying an e-bike for under $1,000 is probably like a really good price, and especially with all the performance and all the accessories that you get extra with this bike. So another really cool feature and another big reason that I purchased this bike is the folding mechanism. So this bike can fold almost in half, and this way you can put it in your car, maybe in the back seat. In my case, I have a Honda Accord and I needed to put it in my trunk, so this was perfect just in case if I wanted to go somewhere else far from my home and I wanted to ride it at the beach or whatever. I just put it in my trunk and it fits perfectly fine. Oh yeah, also the pedals. We can fold the pedals just like that. Handlebar. Wow. So this is a class 2 e-bike. That means that you can go up to 20 miles per hour. But if you unlock, there's some instructions. Actually, it's in the manual. It shows you how to unlock the class 3, I believe. And you can go up to 28 miles per hour while you're pedaling with a pedal assist, and with the throttle up to around 22 miles per hour. So yeah, that's a pretty good, cool performance, because trust me, you want to go fast. Once you have a taste of a bike going over 30 miles per hour, like the Hyper Scrambler video that I did, oh my God, it is fun going at high speed. Shit, 33 miles per hour, 34. So yeah, this bike, you can't go over 28 miles per hour. I tried it. 26, passenger seat level 5, maximum performance. 27, 28 miles, 28.5. I think it kills it at 28.5. Oh wow. But it's still fun. It's still really cool for that performance. So another cool thing I noticed about, for example, I was gonna say steering wheel, but no, these are the handlebars. The handlebars is totally adjustable here, and it has like a little numbers which you can set to to the one that fits better for you. That's a really nice touch. I like that. Another cool little detail that I like is the little display here. So now This display also has a backlit, so if for any reason you're riding at night, this is going to be super helpful. Trust me, I've seen other bikes without it, without the backlight, and it's just so difficult, but this one does illuminate at night. And over here on top, it shows you, the power, the energy bar for your battery, the speed, miles per hour, passenger assist. You can have that up to 5 different levels of assist. And over here it has the odometer. I have 43 miles already in this bike. You can change this to the trip. You can see the volts. You can see the current. It's a timer, 3 minutes. It's been on. 43 miles already in this bike. So I'm so excited. I really like this. It's very easy to read and to see. It also has like a little, well, I call this this is like a transmission in a car. 7 gears, Shimano, made by Shimano, 7 speed. This is the sys index. Super helpful in case if you're going high speeds. I noticed some people have even changed the cassette, which is sitting right here. They have changed it to another gear, so that way you can go even faster. But 28 miles per hour is the limiter. Unless you have really powerful legs, then you can go faster. Now there's also a throttle, just in case if you don't want to pedal, you want to enjoy the ride. Throttle only. I'm getting 22. We're on 22.4 miles per hour. Look at this view. So awesome. To activate the throttle, you do need to have it at least in passenger 1. Let me see if I don't get crazy. Oop, there you go. Yeah, it has power. Especially right now that I modified the screen to the bike to make it go faster. It does have a lot of power, but guys, make sure you turn this off, because for some reason, if you press the throttle, it is kind of hard if you're not ready for it to just hold on your bike. It happened to me already, and it's not fun. Now, I notice a lot of people have complained about the handlebars being kind of small, kind of narrow, and to be honest, I like them. I think they're really comfortable, good size for me, especially because I use the folding mechanism a lot. So I feel like if I have bigger handlebars, it's going to be even more difficult for me to fold the bike and everything. So to me, this is perfect. The only thing I do wish it was a horn instead of having this little thing right here. I wish it had a horn. It will be nice because this bike is quiet. So when you're riding between cars or on the street, or maybe people in front of you that they don't know that you're right behind them, having a horn is very useful. So I will probably add that in the future. So another thing I noticed is, for example, they also include the fenders, which is very useful, especially if you run through water or mud puddle or dirt. You don't want to get yourself dirty. So it's nice they also include fender. I noticed some other reviewers have said that when they arrive, the bike arrives, it's kind of loose. Not in my case, everything was pretty tight, no problems. Although it wasn't perfect, I did run into some problems, but other than that, this bike came in fully assembled, which I like. The only thing I do recommend to have is just air pump for your tires, because they come uninflated, so you do need to pump up some air in there, and that's pretty much it. Lectric also includes carrying bags that you can put them right here on the rack, and they sit around the rear tire. But honestly, like I said, I don't like to have many accessories on my bike. I think it looks great like this, but it's awesome that they include those things, because I know some other people might use them. So Lectric offers 2 different models. This is the step-through model. This is one of their newest design, and what they did is like they made this part lower, so for people who are shorter, or maybe they have problems with their hips, or maybe with their knees, with their legs. So this is perfect for me, because my wife is kind of short and she loves this. So let me just show you some measurements real quick. From bottom to here, it's about 18 inches. So yeah, it makes things a lot easier to just jump into the bike. And also, if you're a tall person, you can make adjustments to the seats. To this seat right here, you can put a dollar all the way up here. I mean, this is pretty high. You know, I don't need it to be that high. So once you're done with it, press it, secure it, and that's it. So the battery sits right in here. You can charge it through this port really quick. I leave it to charge, to fully charge, it takes about 4 hours. Then another thing I don't like is the key. So the key is placed right underneath the bike. So, and it's also, you have to leave the key if you want to continue to use the bike. So I don't like that idea, but it is what it is. Now the brakes are made by thru. They are mechanical, and although some people say they make a lot of noise, I think they work pretty good. I mean, when they get dirty, yeah, they make some noise, but when they're clean, no problem. Oh, also, the bike comes with a little headlight. You can turn it on by pressing the up arrow on the controller. And as you guys can see, well, it's not bright, and yeah, it is not bright even at night. So this works good if you want people to know you, or to at least to recognize that you're there. But to use it as a main headlight, it doesn't really work. So I recommend to buy another one. Same with the tail light. It's bright enough for people at night to see you, but trust me, this is just for people to recognize you, but to be useful at night, not good enough. So I will probably buy that and as an accessory, and that's it. All right, guys. So far I've been having a great time with this bike. I already put like around 30 something miles, and let me tell you, for the price, this is fantastic. This is such a great deal, because you do get some really good performance, and also everything just works great out of the box. It comes almost fully assembled. Well, actually, it comes fully assembled. All you need is just a pump to pump some air in the tires, and that's it. That is basically it. I did run into some other issues, but I will show you that in another video. But yeah, great bike, $900. Man, you can't go wrong with this. So let's do some off-roading here, right? We're gonna get into off-road. Let's do this. On this thing is pretty awesome. Oh, hello. Good. I'll step aside.
You're okay. We're good. We'll just hopefully won't kick you.
Oh no. Good. How are you? Wow, beautiful horses. Thank you. Have a nice ride. You too. Wow. Let's keep on going. So, what do I think about this bike? This bike is freaking awesome. I love it. It's just that I think it has everything that you guys are looking for in a great price. I wish it would go faster. After I tested the Scrambler Hyper, man, that bike was awesome. Oh my god! So yeah, I guess after you test at high speed, you kind of like want more. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go uphill. I'm gonna test the uphill, and that's gonna be my hill right there. That's the one. Let's go. Here we go. One cheers. Gear number 4. Passenger assist level 4. Oh yeah, 10 miles per hour. Well, we did it, guys. We did it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Pretty awesome stuff. Good bike. I'm telling you. I mean, I weighed what, like 240 pounds. And that hill was kind of steep. If I would not have the backup of the motor, I would not make it. Easy. I would not make it.